Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by opening settings and navigating straight to accessibility, then personal voice. This places you at the one location that controls the model. Record in a quiet room so background noise won't corrupt samples. Once ready, plug in headphones if you want clearer audio, then follow the on-screen prompts. Speak naturally and at comfortable volume. The system needs varied phonemes. Don't pause between sentences unless prompted, and make sure your iPhone stays unlocked and charged during the entire capture process. Once you start, you'll work through phrase blocks that the system provides. These diversify sounds and ensure coverage of uncommon words. Read each phrase exactly as shown, but keep your cadence natural so the model learns your intonation. If a clip sounds clipped or noisy, tap re-record right away. Do not proceed with bad samples because they degrade the voice. Make sure to keep a consistent mouth-to-mic distance and similar speaking energy across blocks to produce a coherent synthetic voice. You finish by saving the captured model and letting the phone synthesize your personal voice. Name it so you can select it later. Then test it. Open apps that support the feature and speak diverse prompts to confirm naturalness and clarity. If you notice mispronunciations or artifacts, re-record the problematic phrases or, for persistent issues, redo the full capture. Consistent environment and correct microphone placement usually solve most problems. One troubleshooting tip: background noise during capture is the most common.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.